FEU head coach Tina Salak is still searching for more consistency from her team. The Lady Tams are currently second in the standings with a 6-3 record. Their latest victory came at the expense of the winless UE Lady Warriors in straight sets. With the defending champion NU Lady Bulldogs up next, Salak knows FEU needs to level up their game to secure their spot in the Final Four.
Technically, doon sa game, nakuha naman namin yung gusto naming win. But, yun nga, parang siyempre may mga opportunities din na nami-miss namin sa pagdating sa laro. So, yung prep namin sa UE, yun din kasi yung magiging prep namin sa susunod na games. So, thank you sa mga players na nag-contribute. And then, trabaho pa ulit. Kasi gusto din natin na magkaroon ng magandang standing after itong second round. Every game naman ngayon, second round, very important. So, syempre, ngayon yung UE, yung game namin against UE, magandang prep din yon para sa amin for NU game. But syempre, iba pa rin yung magiging adjustment namin against NU game. Iba din yung nangyari kanina.